taco is ready to eat.
I'm Rachael Chen. I'm a public diplomacy officer. I originally come from Dallas, Texas. The most famous food that you can get from Texas is Tex-Mex, which is a regional variety of Mexican cuisine. Texas used to be a part of Mexico, so we have a lot of Mexican food in Texas. It's very common. And I think that there's no better way for people to understand each other than to start by understanding each other's food. So today I made Korean tacos. Korean tacos have been made popular in the United States, in Texas in particular, through food trucks. People take elements of Tex-Mex cuisine and mix elements of Korean cuisine. What I combined is sort of like Texas fajita style tacos and a type of Korean food called bosam. Bosam is roast pork shoulder, and then I took sort of the roast pork shoulder and mixed it with kimchi, a bit of pickled cucumber, some lime and cilantro, and gochujiang, which is a type of fermented Korean chili paste. Hi.
Hi, Rachael.
So we've got some Korean tacos here. I know they're not like as pretty as perhaps something you would make, but I hope they're tasty.
It's nice. It's got the freshness from the cucumbers and cilantro, the acidic flavor from the kimchi.
I grew up in Dallas, Texas, and tacos are something that people in Texas have been eating for hundreds of years. You can have breakfast tacos, you can have tacos for lunch, you can have tacos for dinner. And as people from Korea have also moved to Texas and other parts of the United States, elements of Korean cuisine have sort of joined what we think of as, normal food. And so that's sort of where the two worlds have come together into a new world.
Likewise, in Singapore is also multicultural. You have the Indians, you have the Chinese, you have Malays, Indonesians. Each of these people, they also contribute to the food culture in Singapore as well. When you talk about wraps, you have the popiah, you have parathas, and the murtabak, which is a very Indian Singaporean dish. It's technically nothing but stuffed parathas.
Well, Kiran is obviously a very professional chef. He understands food. And of course, it's a little intimidating because he's such a professional. I'm just a home chef, I just really like to eat food.
It's really good.